Welcome back to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us once again. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey through one of South America's most enchanting countries, Peru. Nestled on the western edge of the continent, Peru is a land of contrasts and wonders. From its breathtaking landscapes, which range from the arid coastal plains to the towering Andes Mountains and the lush Amazon rainforest, to its rich history and vibrant culture, Peru is a destination that promises adventure and discovery at every turn. Before we dive into our countdown, let's take a moment to appreciate the diverse history of this amazing country. Peru's history is a tapestry woven with the threads of ancient civilizations, colonial influences, and modern-day vibrancy. Once the heart of the Inca Empire, Peru is home to ancient ruins, colorful traditions, and some of the world's most stunning natural wonders. The city of Cusco, for instance, was the capital of the Inca Empire and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, brimming with historical significance and cultural richness. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an adventure seeker, there's something here for everyone. Imagine hiking through the Andes, exploring the depths of the Amazon, or immersing yourself in the vibrant festivals that celebrate Peru's unique heritage. Now, let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Peru. From the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu to the bustling streets of Lima, the serene beauty of Lake Titicaca to the mysterious Nazca Lines, each destination offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Peru. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Peru is a rich tapestry of cultures, deeply influenced by its indigenous peoples and a complex colonial history. The country is a melting pot where ancient traditions meet modern influences, creating a unique cultural landscape that is both vibrant and diverse. The Inca civilization, which flourished from the early 15th century until the Spanish conquest in the 16th century, left an indelible mark on the landscape. The Incas were master builders and engineers, creating architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. Their advanced knowledge in agriculture, astronomy, and art continues to fascinate historians and visitors alike. Today, you'll find a blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish colonial influences in the country's architecture, festivals, and daily life. The Spanish conquest brought new elements to Peruvian culture, including language, religion, and architectural styles. This fusion is evident in the grand cathedrals, colonial mansions, and vibrant festivals that celebrate both indigenous and Spanish heritage. From the majestic ruins of Machu Picchu, a testament to Inca ingenuity, to the colorful markets of Cusco, where traditional crafts and modern goods coexist, every corner of Peru tells a story of resilience, artistry, and connection to the earth. The landscapes of Peru, from the Andean highlands to the Amazon rainforest, are as diverse as its people, offering a breathtaking backdrop to the country's rich cultural heritage. Now let's count down the top 10 places you must visit in this incredible country. From the ancient city of Cusco, once the heart of the Inca Empire, to the stunning Colca Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in the world, Peru offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Whether you're exploring the mystical Nazca Lines, hiking the Inca Trail, or savoring the culinary delights of Lima, Peru promises an unforgettable journey through history, culture, and natural beauty. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Paracas National Reserve. Located on the southern coast, this stunning reserve boasts dramatic cliffs, beautiful beaches, and diverse wildlife, including sea lions and countless bird species. Don't miss a boat tour to the nearby Ballestas Islands. At number 9 we have Arequipa, known as the White City for its beautiful white Sillar stone buildings. Explore the stunning Santa Catalina Monastery and enjoy breathtaking views of the misty volcano. Coming in at number 8 is Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Visit the unique floating islands of the Uros people and immerse yourself in the local culture. Number 7 is the Sacred Valley, a breathtaking region filled with ancient ruins, traditional villages, and stunning landscapes. It's the perfect place for trekking and exploring Inca history. At number 6, we have the mysterious Nazca Lines. These enormous geoglyphs etched into the desert floor can only be fully appreciated from the air. Take a scenic flight for a unique perspective. Number 5 is Cusco, the former capital of the Inca Empire. With its cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and lively markets, Cusco is a hub of culture and history. Don't miss the impressive Sacsayhuaman Fortress. At number 4, we can't ignore Machu Picchu, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. This breathtaking Inca citadel set high in the Andes is a must-see for any traveler to Peru. Taking the number 3 spot is the Amazon Rainforest. Explore this biodiverse paradise through guided tours, where you can spot exotic wildlife and learn about the indigenous cultures that call this place home. At number 2 is Huacachina, an oasis surrounded by towering sand dunes. Try sandboarding or take a sunset dune buggy ride for an unforgettable experience. And finally, at number 1 we have Colca Canyon. Twice as deep as the Grand Canyon, this stunning landscape is not only breathtaking but also a great place to spot the majestic Andean condor in flight. So there you have it, our top 10 places to visit in Peru. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the diverse and breathtaking beauty that this South American gem has to offer. From ancient ruins that whisper tales of a bygone era, to stunning natural landscapes that leave you in awe, Peru is a country that truly has it all. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or someone who simply loves to soak in the beauty of nature, Peru has something for everyone. If you're planning a trip, consider a suggested itinerary. Start in Lima, the vibrant capital city. Here you can explore its rich colonial history, indulge in world-renowned cuisine, and enjoy the bustling street markets that offer a glimpse into the daily life of Peruvians. Then head to Cusco, the historic heart of the Inca Empire. Wander through its charming streets, visit the Sacred Valley with its awe-inspiring landscapes, and immerse yourself in the traditional markets that are brimming with local crafts and flavors. Followed by a trek to Machu Picchu, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The journey along the Inca Trail is as rewarding as the destination itself, offering breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment as you reach the ancient citadel. Don't forget to explore Arequipa, known for its stunning colonial architecture and the majestic misty volcano. Then take a serene boat ride on Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, and experience the unique cultures of the Uro's floating islands. Finally, venture into the Amazon rainforest, where you can witness an incredible array of wildlife and lush vegetation, before wrapping up your adventure in the coastal city of Paracas. Here, you can relax on beautiful beaches, explore the Paracas National Reserve, and even take a boat tour to see the famous Ballestas Islands, often referred to as the Galapagos of Peru. Remember, every visit to Peru is an opportunity to connect with its rich history and vibrant culture. From traditional dances and colorful festivals to ancient ruins and modern cities, Peru offers a unique blend of the old and the new. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps us to create more content that you love. Subscribe for more travel content, where we take you on journeys to some of the most fascinating places around the globe. And let us know your favorite place in Peru in the comments below. We love hearing about your experiences and recommendations. Until next time, happy travels.